cannot imagine how happy I am and how excited I am to have you all here.
Hoping so much that you all will have a great time and a productive time here with us.
There is a very important element of going digital, that we make people feel that they're being empowered.
The reason why we talk about value streams is because it's very customer focused.
Businesses and communication needs the so-called omni-channel approach in the end, where we have a dual communication in both ways.
If you want to move away from Linux, Unix to Windows or the other way around, or you want to run in the cloud, in an Azure cloud or whatever, it's all possible without doing any migration.
The mobile app is installed on your device and every information is coming from the back end to the mobile app.
Go away from the static process to a process which is more dynamic based on its building blocks and with reusable content.
I am opening currently a company that does the SaaS services. This is a company that will work together with IT centers, hosting the complete platform.